the animal behavior major at UNE. It's an interdisciplinary major. I like to think of it as a little bit of a mix of biology and also psychology. So we're talking about how animals think and how they interact with each other, with the world around them, and to some extent with us.
I really like interdisciplinary thinking in animal behavior. The more interesting and unique fields of study we can cram together generates new ideas and helps us perceive the way that animals experience the world in different ways.
UNE is one of the handful of schools in the country that offers a Bachelor of Science in animal behavior. Most schools might have a class in animal behavior. Here we have an entire curriculum devoted to the topic.
I chose to study animal behavior at UNE because I always wanted to work with wildlife, and I wanted to work with wildlife in a way that I could affect conservation. I was trying to find something that gave me the most hands-on experience right from the get-go.
The hands-on research experience at UNE I think is really beneficial. I do think that that's something that would give me a leg up when applying to schools in the future.
I've learned so many skills that I don't think I can name them all. But things like research methods, statistics, all that basic background stuff that you really need as a foundation to get into research.
UNE really emphasizes hands-on research and also internships, and that can prepare you for careers in wildlife rehabilitation, conservation, veterinary medicine. A lot of students go on to do research themselves.
I think the animal behavior major here is very special because of the people that you get to meet, and it's such a close-knit community.
To someone looking to study animal behavior, I would say absolutely go for it. This program stands out in every single way. And I think it just really gives you an opportunity and a stepping stone to get anywhere you want to go.